let it cook here a little bit.
Plug this in again.
Yep. My name is Brian Giori. I am a senior engineering manager at Amplitude for the experiment team. I've been working recently on MCP. For Amplitude, we use it to get data from Amplitude, like charts and dashboards, and even query those objects so that the LLM can more effectively answer your questions. So if you have data in Confluence or Giori or Google Docs, you can also mix that data with the data that you get from Amplitude using MCP as well. So the easiest way to use MCP is to use an application like Claude. I've already set up the connector, which is just a one-line URL. You click connect, you go through OAuth, and then you get to here where we have the MCP server connected, and then you can just ask away. So today I'm going to ask, tell me about Money, sign up conversion, and marketing efficiency. The first thing that it does is search. So it's doing a broad relevancy search across all the objects and data available in Amplitude to look for charts, dashboards, notebooks, any pieces of content that are already available. So great, it says it found several relevant sources. It's gonna pull some additional metadata. Sign up conversion performance, overall 2.3. It's got raw numbers as well. It's got time to complete, and then it's also looking at the marketing efficiency by channel. So email, partner, paid social, organic search, as well as customer acquisition costs and other insights. So I'm going to dig deeper, and I'm going to say dig into the paid social channel. Look for overperforming and underperforming segments. Again, the first thing it does is search. Then it's going to start actually writing custom queries to find insights that don't already exist. So I'm just going to let it go. Let it cook here a little bit. And now it's done. So now it's going to create a comprehensive analysis document here based on all the data. Paid social deep dive. So it's got Instagram and TikTok, including the conversion rate, which is pretty steady, but it noticed that TikTok has a much higher customer acquisition cost. So maybe something that, let's double down on Instagram as a more efficient way to market to our users. And then it's also going to look at, overperforming campaigns, underperforming campaigns, and then additionally time-based trends, all sorts of segmentation vectors that it's using to provide me with some insights. Again, all of this is available also within Amplitude, so it references all the charts that are available, so I could actually click on these and open them up in Amplitude to double check or verify the data. So I think really customer requests. I was seeing a lot of customers, or I guess I was seeing a lot of our go-to-market members asking on behalf of their customers about whether MCP was available. We also saw people in our community building MCPs based on our public APIs, which was really cool to see. But I think it really showed that this was something that people wanted. I think it's one of those things, it's basically a sandbox where if you want to build custom agents, mix it with external data, there's so many possibilities, and that, there's no way that we could identify every single use case that's possible. We want to give it to customers and see what they can do with it. Really, the sky's the limit when it comes to using Amplitude MCP.